Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you background editor software. You can use it. First of all, I download a motorbike. That background is black and motorbike is white. Now remove the background very carefully. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Then done it. Then go to the KineMaster software and import the background. Background should be black. Now go to the layer and media. Then import this video or this picture that you remove the background, bike picture. Adjusting in your screen. Then adjusting. Then OK. Length adjusting. Then go to the text. Write something as you want. I am writing the motorbike. And change the font style. I am using the Facon font style and make the font shadow. Shadow should be black, pure black. And change the spread 16. Length adjusting. Then OK. And then go to the layer and media. Then import the video that you want to use. I'm using this video, color smoke background video effect. You can download it from Google. Now blending option, go to the motorbike name and then blending option, then using overlay. Same thing, the motorbike picture background blending option, then using overlay. And motorbike and motorbike text should be bring front. sorry. Now cut the extra video, just adjusting, and you can use the background song as you want. My video is done. See the preview, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my video. See you next time.